Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about the functions. Okay. See friends, up to now we learned basic level concepts. Okay. We learned about variables, data types, okay, inbuilt data structures like list, tuple, dictionary sets, okay, and as well as control flow statements for loop, while loop, and conditional statements like if else and nested if, this type of concepts we learned up to now. Okay, these up, okay, whatever we learned up to now, those are the basic level, very basic level. Okay, the way of doing problems like means, for an example, when we will face some interviews, in that interviews they will ask like write a palindrome program, okay, write a prime number program. This type of basic level questions they will ask when you are facing interviews. Okay, the learning concept up to whatever we learned, those will be useful. Suppose if you face those questions, then after they will in the interviewer, okay, who are doing interview, they will increase the complexity, okay, question complexity. Okay, when he will think question complexity, at that time onwards the functions oops concepts will become okay. Oops, I will tell later. Okay, next level is functions. Okay, functions are very important. Not only important, actually I don't mean which is important, which is not important. Everything is a knowledge. Okay, I trust that. Okay, here I'm not saying this is important, this is not important, but you have to learn functions. Okay, now the concept is functions. See friends, function means, what is mean by function? Okay, function means reusable code. Okay, what is mean by reusable? Reusable means, suppose any one organization is there. Okay, if any one organization is there or any one school is there, for an take an example is a school. Okay, in that school some students are there. Okay, every student, okay, the organization must needs some information. Okay, in that information they include some columns like name, id card, which section, okay, which section, and blah blah blah, different columns they will add. Okay, different columns they will add. Okay, here for but name, id card, sections, these columns are common for all students. Okay, this is the common data. Common data means they will build one structure. Okay, in that structure the values will be changed based on the student. Okay, based on the students, suppose one student name is Ashok and another student name is Kishore, like based on the student the values, the column values will be changed. Okay, but the this is the raw data. Okay, functions means raw data. Uh, we will prepare one proper set of code. The code will be used again and again and again. Okay, let's have a look to concept. See here, function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Okay, when it is called, I will show you practically. And a function can be written data as a result. Okay, written data as a result. The function helps avoiding code repetition. Okay, the function will avoid code repetition. Okay, code repetition is already told you, right? The rate, just raw data will be prepared. Okay, I'll show you. And the next, creating a function. Okay, creating a function means, see, a function is defined using the def keyword. Okay, def means that is the function name. Okay, this is the default name, def keyword, followed by a function name and parenthesis. Okay, followed by a function name is and parenthesis, this is the function name. Okay, this is the main function name, and this is called calling function. Okay, okay, this is calling function and this is main function. Def greet print hello. Okay, this is one sample code. Okay, this is a sample code, and this is also, see, what is mean by calling function. Okay, to call a function, write its name followed by the parenthesis. Okay, this is called, okay, this is called calling function. Okay, here what you are seeing, this is called calling function. Okay, See, yet finally we are using calling function only. Okay. Now I'll show you examples. Suppose, see, I want to print my name. I am Ashok. Okay, I am Ashok. Again and again and again and again. Suppose if I want to write my name Ashok means print C, print Ashok. Print every time. Suppose I want to write my name 10 times. Okay, we are using okay, in this way, every time print statement is must. Okay, that's why to avoid this problem, introduced functions. Okay, here I am using def keyword. In that keyword, I am giving my name. Okay, my name is a calling function. Okay, my name is a calling function. See, after the my name, we must keep colon. Okay, see here I am giving print statement. I am Ashok. Okay, I am Ashok. See, friends, this is the main function name. Okay, the in functions def keyword we must use in every function multiple times. Next, my name is a calling function. Okay, my name is a calling function. Okay, this is the print statement. If I want to print this here, you can use this. Okay, my name. Okay, my name up to there. Okay, see my name print like this. Now my name will print one time. Okay, here I mention only one time. Suppose if I want to print again and again, see I am giving three times. My name will be print three times. Okay, suppose if I want to again and again and again means you can give continuously like this. Okay, in this way we are using functions, okay, for multiple purpose. Okay, single operation we can do again and again and again with different values. Okay, same operation we can do again and again with different values. I will show it later. Okay, I hope you understand up to here. Okay, let's do practice up to here. You can do practice, you can understand easily. Okay, the next point. Okay, the next point, see, the next point is the function names. Okay, function names I already showed you, right? This is called function name. Okay, this is called function name. Let's have a look to it. Function names are follow the same rules as variable names in Python. See, a function name must start with letter or underscore, and a function name can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Okay, function names are case sensitive. My function and my function like this. Okay, that is different. Okay, here this is case sensitive. Capital letters and small letters are different. Okay, here see calculate function. Okay, this type of names you can use in middle of the name. You can use underscore at the start. At the start. Okay, at the starting place also we can use variable name. Okay, we can use function to. Okay, this type of names, these are the naming conventions. Okay, you can use this. See, why use Python, why we are using Python. Okay, see, I'll show, see, with simple example. See, imagine you can need to convert a temperature. Okay, I'll show practically why we are using Python. Okay, suppose for an example, I want to add two numbers. Okay, I want to add two numbers. See, regularly what we are doing, suppose if I want to print number 1 is equal to 56 and number 2 is equal to 45. Okay, if I want to print sum 1 is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Okay, number 1 plus number 2, then print sum. Okay, print sum. See, in this way we are doing, okay, addition of two numbers. Suppose I want to change values. Okay, user input, no, I want to change values. Then I will write this code again. Okay, I will write this code again, and I need to change uh variable names. Okay, I need to change variable names and values like this. Okay, yeah, in this way we have to do. Okay, sum 2, and this is the 3, and this is the 4. Okay, this is the sum 2. Okay, see, same code but we wrote twice. Okay, Suppose just here only operation is same, just values change. Okay, same type of code, the same type of operation with different values I wrote again. Okay, to reduce this problem, to reduce this problem by using functions we can do very easily. Okay, see here I am taking some as a calling function. Okay, under calling function I am giving two values. Okay, a comma b. Here just to print a plus b. Okay, print a plus b. Okay, here I am giving sum. Under the sum you can give your own values, 5 comma 7. See, only three lines of code, 12 printed, right? Suppose if you want to change sum comma 78 comma 34. Yes, suppose sum comma 2 comma 5. Okay, by with changing you can give multiple times. Okay, to reduce this problem, see, don't you here what I mean, same type of code we don't want to write again and again. Okay, to further to reduction of the problem we can use functions. Okay, I hope you understand what I said. Next, see, the next point is, okay, for see, same type of code multiple times. Okay, see, next point, return values. Okay, return values. See, return values means, see, function can send the data back to the code that called them by using return statement. Okay, return statement. See, functions can send the data back to the code, uh, the return statement. I hope to understand this line. Next, when a function reaches a return statement, it stops executing the sending the result back. Okay, once we write the result, that is the ending point of the code. Okay, that is the ending point of that code. Okay, why we are using, see, by using, uh, for this program I am showing here, I am using return value. Okay, return keyword a plus b. Okay, a plus b. See, here you can use print statement again and again. Print sum like this. Okay, print sum like this. You can change values. Okay, now print this. Okay, here what I faced, a print statement. Okay, under the sum. Okay, under the sum, what I faced here. Wait a minute. What is the error? Print invalid syntax. Forgot the comma. Okay, okay. Invalid syntax and forgot the comma. Okay, see, here brackets I given twice. I think that's why I got an error. I'm removing this braces. I'm removing these braces twice. I wrote, that's why. What I wrote correct, right? Removing this. Yes. Okay. Suppose I want to change 89 comma 7. 89 comma 7 I'm giving. Yeah. Okay. You can print like this. Okay. You can print like this, 5 comma 12, 5 comma 90. You can give the values will be print like this. Okay. I hope you understand, friends. You can do practice. You can understand very easily. Okay. Next concept. The next concept is, okay. The next concept is Pass statement. Okay, pass statement means function defines cannot be empty. Okay, function defines cannot be empty. If you need to create a function placeholder without any code, use the pass statement. Okay, regularly, suppose if any code is not there. Okay, if any code is not there, suppose here I'm using functions. I'll write later. Okay, I'll write later. Suppose if I run this, error will come. Okay, error will come to read if okay, I'll pass operations later. That's why here I'm using pass function. Okay, pass statement, then the output should be empty. Okay, inside memory allocated, but based on the values I can prepare code later. Okay, that's why here I am using pass. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Okay, you can do practice, you can understand very easily. That's it for today, guys. If you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.